In a small village, there lived a curious little girl named Lily. She loved to learn and explore the world around her. One sunny morning, she decided to go to the market to buy some pretty flowers. As she walked, she noticed the way people moved. Some rushed while others took their time. Lily was fascinated by how people did things differently. She thought to herself, I should learn how to describe actions properly. Lily reached the market and saw a farmer with a basket of fruits. He moved quickly, placing apples and oranges on the table. A kind old lady was slow, carefully sorting her vegetables. Nearby, a baker was working hard, preparing bread in his shop. Lily watched them all, trying to understand how people could do things so differently. She realized that adverbs of manner can describe how someone does an action. She asked the farmer, "Why do you move so quickly?" He smiled and said, "I want to finish before the customers come." Lily then asked the old lady, "Are you working slowly?" She nodded and explained, "I need to be careful to avoid breaking the vegetables." The baker added, "I work hard because I take pride in my craft." Lily was amazed by how adverbs of manner helped explain their actions precisely. Lily overheard a conversation between two friends. One said, "I ran quickly to the park." The other replied, "I walked slowly to avoid getting tired." She realized that adverbs like quickly and slowly can vary depending on the action. They help answer the question how in a sentence. Lily decided to practice using them in her own sentences to understand better. She went to the library and found a book about adverbs of manner. The teacher explained that adverbs are usually made by adding ly to adjectives. For example, clearly comes from clear. Lily read about quickly, slowly, and carefully. She noticed that these adverbs help describe the way someone does something, like how she ran or how the old lady sorted her vegetables. Lily was excited to use these words in her sentences. Lily practiced writing sentences with the adverbs. She speaks clearly meant she was understanding. He drives carefully meant he was safe. They worked hard showed effort. She also wrote, "Please speak slowly to help others understand better." She felt proud of her progress and wanted to show her new knowledge to others. At home, Lily asked her parents to describe their actions using adverbs of manner. Her mom said, "I cook carefully so the food tastes good." Her dad mentioned, "I work quickly so I can finish my tasks on time." Lily thought it was cool how adverbs could explain the way people did things. She realized this was a powerful way to express emotions and details in sentences. Lily began using adverbs in her daily conversations. She told her friend, "I eat slowly so I don't feel full too fast." She also said, "I learn carefully to make sure I understand everything." Her teacher praised her for using the words correctly. Lily felt confident that she was now more able to express herself clearly and precisely. One day, Lily decided to tell a story to her classmates. She said, "The boy ran quickly to catch the bus." Her friend added, "The girl walked slowly, enjoying the view." The class listened with interest, and Lily felt happy that she could explain actions clearly. She noticed that even the smallest details could be more vivid with the use of adverbs. Lily now understood that adverbs of manner, like quickly, slowly, and carefully, helped explain how an action was performed. These words made her sentences more interesting and meaningful. She wanted to share her knowledge with others and encourage them to use adverbs to describe their actions. Lily began teaching her younger brother, who was learning English too, showing him how to use these words correctly.